Here is an observation, not a judgment. In fact, I often still use primitive methods in math and other endeavors, especially if it works well. So let's get to it. 3 and 4. What are we going to do? Put the big number up top. Bigger number. 4 is the bigger number. 3 is going to go below. We're basically just making a table of multiples here. So, I just go 4. I just keep adding 4 basically. So like 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Probably that's as far as I need to go. Let's do the same thing with 3, and we're going to go by 3s. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. As soon as we have a match, we're done. So 12 is the LCD. I'll put the LCDs over here. So the LCD of 3 and 4 is 12. Do the same thing for 6 and 8. Again, top number up top, or big number up top. So that's the 8. 8 is bigger than 6. We're going to put a 6 below. Man, ran out of ink again. Oh my goodness. Okay, again, we're just going to, the top number, I'm just going to keep on adding it to itself. So 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 8, 24, plus 8, 32, plus 8, 40. Okay, usually that's about as far as we need to go, just as a rule of thumb. And then 6, we're just going to keep on adding 6s to it. So 6 plus 6, 12, plus 6, 18, plus 6, 24. Oh, look, we got a match, 24 and 24. So the LCD is 24. So as soon as you have a match, that is your LCD. Good luck, guys.